Here's how to fix a black and white screen on your iPhone. Now, if either you or someone else got a hold of your iPhone and they change everything, the color profile to just black and white, and you wanted to get the color back, switch it back to normal, I'll walk you through the entire process. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's hop into the settings here. And it's pretty easy to change it, but you need to know where to look. We'll tap on the accessibility right under General. And then again, we'll scroll down, and the third option, we're going to choose display and text size. Now on here, we'll scroll down to the bottom, and you can see third from last is color filters. Tap on that, it shows that it's on, and you can see grayscale is selected, indicating black and white. All I need to do is toggle that off, and you'll be able to see all of the crayons or colored pencils at the very top switch from just black and white to a bunch of vibrant colors. Now, keep in mind that might be the only thing that is turned on, but you might want to go back and make sure that smart invert, classic invert are turned off, as well as reduce white input, basically, or white point. Basically, those all three different things also will mess with the color profiles and make it look a bit weird on your iPhone when you're using it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.